This is a game changer right here. This is a game changer. I thought it was time for me to take my hair out. For real. What's up, faves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I freshen up my knotless braids. I had them for like, I think a month, and they already look real old, so I thought I would show y'all how to freshen them up, how to make them look somewhat new again. I haven't even worn them in any way. Like, they look super old. So yeah, but remind you, I'm only gonna do the front and like the middle or the side if I want to wear it like to the side, down the side. I'm only gonna do those braids, but I'm not doing every single braid. I'm not doing that. Okay, before we get started, make sure you like this video, and also make sure you're subscribed with your post notifications turned on so you won't miss none of my videos. Okay, first thing first, girl, I'm gonna section off the ones that I want to freshen up. You cannot buy. That me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Mind with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these not agony. I need to give up my bed. But okay, let's put these in the back and the rubber band. So how's everybody doing? It's so close to Thanksgiving. Tell me what y'all gonna do for Thanksgiving, or what y'all gonna cook. If y'all cooking, like, let me know in the comment section. Let me pin this somewhere. I got some clips that I'm gonna pin. I'm gonna use to pin it. I'm not gonna cook for Thanksgiving, but we were supposed to do like a potluck. Me, my sisters, and my mama, we was all supposed to do like a potluck for Thanksgiving. But I don't know, I'm not really a cook. My sister that I stay with, she really the cook, and she might cook something. So if she end up cooking something, I'm gonna go ahead and help out, or probably do my own little dish or whatever, so it won't be just one dish. But yeah, that's all we got planned for Thanksgiving. We're gonna do it at my mom's house, of course. I think I got a cousin that always cooks, so she might cook for Thanksgiving. You know, shout out to her. I'm gonna have to stop by, you know, grab me a plate or whatever. I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my garden. Yeah, my mind is a warning. Make sure you got ready. I've been wondering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't bet. Not in my mind what I need. The motion we're gonna do is like, we're gonna go towards the braid. I'm gonna put the product towards the braid. So okay, so we got it all slicked up, and now we're gonna just twist it. Twist it the way that looks best for the braid. Like, twist it the way that looks like. Ooh, look at that. That looks new. Can y'all see it? Like, that looks kind of new. So once we twist it like that, we're gonna pin it somewhere. I'm gonna use an alligator clip to pin it back here. So that one is good. That one will be cute. Okay. Now we're gonna twist this one the way it looks like it should be. I mean, you can tell which way you should twist it. Like, you can just like eyeball it. Like, whichever way it looks like it should be twisted is the way you should twist it. So I got both of them twisted. So my first two are twisted. As you can see, I'm gonna do the perimeter and then I'm gonna go up. So yeah, I'll be right back. Let's go with the crispy part. Let's go. These boys look new. So I twisted that one and now I'm pin it up. Make sure you got a clip so you can hold it, you know, so it'll hold in place. And you don't need to twist it too many times because you're not locking it. You just need to do like, maybe like twist it probably like 2 or 3 times. You don't need to keep twisting it. Alright, well, y'all can just watch me now. I'm just gonna, you know, continue doing what I do. You can go ahead and just continue watching.
That me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these not time to have a day. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind, I need to the other side. I need time to leave my life. I need try to take me out. Have you
So we done with this side. As you can see, they look crispy. They look like I just got them done. Now let's hurry up and get to the other side. Okay, faves. So I finished all of the edges. I finished all of the perimeter, and now I just got them clipped up. Last, I'm gonna do last part I'm gonna do is this camera won't sit straight. The last part I'm gonna do is the middle. I should have did the middle probably first because because I'm gonna have to let these, I'm gonna have to unclamp them. I look so cute though. I can't believe I just did this. Can't wait till I hit the edges. Girl, you gonna see, you gonna see. You can be excited when you see this video because you thought you was about to take them braids down, but it's not time yet. Keep them in as long as you can, girl, and just keep doing this. A lot of people don't like doing this because I guess it's like it's locking your hair or whatever, but honestly, it's not much locking your hair really gonna do with edge control. It's not like you got the Jamaican lock, whatever it's called, the Jamaican lock stuff. But honestly, this is a game changer right here. This is a game changer. I thought it was time for me to take my hair out, for real. All right, let's see. Let's see. So I don't want it to be down yet, especially not this side, because I just got done with this side. So I'm not gonna let these down. I'm just gonna clamp them over here. And clamp them on this side. And now we can do the middle one. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got 5 that I'm going to do. I'm going to use this clamp. Okay. I really need to put these back in the is. Okay, so they all still sitting up and they all still crispy. They still look nice. So now we just got the last 4 or 5. I'm gonna do 5 because this one. All right, FaVs, we all set. Now we can take the clips off. I let it sit for about, I think it was like 10-15 minutes, whatever. So we gonna take these out and I'm gonna style them real quick so you can see how good it looks. I really should do it like this. Should I do it to the side? Okay, that's pretty. So let's go ahead and get the edges. Get these edges, girl. Most people would flat iron their edges, but I don't really do that. So we're gonna do the regular edges. Is that how we do that? That's how we do that. Man, I just love my hair. Because it just cooperates with me so well. I think I'm gonna use a bobby pin and probably pin this one right here because it keeps coming out the way. But this is the look that we're going for. This is the look. Okay, so if you thought this video was helpful, please make sure you hit that thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed, please. And thank you. I love you, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.